Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the country in the Vistara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the UK button at the very bottom of the line. So here, as you can see, you can search for the country, or you can select it from here. So just click on the one that you want and then click on the done button. And your country is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.